and Assalamualaikum everyone. So this is the next tutorial, which is arithmetic and geometric series. Okay, so what I will do is I will explain a few of the question, and then some of it you guys will attempt on your own and submit it. Your submission will be considered as attendance. Okay, so now what you guys have to do is so now we will go through the first question, which is A. We have given that 2x, 5 and 6 minus x are the first term, okay, first three term of an arithmetic progression. What is the common difference? So when they say this, right, for question A, okay, this guy is your A1, A2 and your A3. Okay, now they ask us to find the common difference. Okay, so now for question A, we have A1 equal to 2x, A2 equal to 5, then A3 equal to 6 minus x, and then they said that this is arithmetic. So by right, if you want to find the common difference, the formula will be D equal to A2 minus A1, or it could be D equal to A3 minus A2. Now you see both have D and D, right? So we can combine this guy. A2 equal minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2. Now we have A1 already, A2 already, which is 5, minus with A1, which is 2x, equal to A3, which is 6 minus x, and then minus with A2, which is 5. Okay, and then here you simplify them, you're going to get 5 minus 2x equal to 6 minus 5, you're going to get 1 minus with x, and then you bring x, negative x at the right side, you bring to the left side. 5 from the left side you bring to the right side, so you will get negative 2x plus with x equal to 1 minus with 5. So you will get here negative x equal to negative 4. So x is equal to 4. Now, in order for you to find D, we can use A2 minus A1, where A2 we have 5 minus with 2x. Okay, 5 minus with 2 multiply with x, which is 4. The answer is 5 minus with 8. So your D is equal to negative 3. So this is for question A. Okay, now we will proceed to the question B. Okay, where they say if the arithmetic progression has 50 terms in total, so find sum of all the terms. Okay, so if you go through again the formula for arithmetic series, we have some formula for sum of all terms, where we have Sn equal to n divided by 2 multiply with 2a plus n minus 1 multiply with d. Then here they said sum of all 50 terms in total, right? So by right, we have S50, this guy. 50 terms in total, this guy is S50. So we want S50 right now. So you just substitute n is equal to 50, then 50 divided by 2. Okay, 2a, so 2 multiplied by a, where our a is equal to what? Our a is equal to 2x. If you see here, we have 2x, okay, which is 2 multiplied by x is equal to 4, 2 multiplied by 4, okay, plus with n just now, which is 50 minus 1 multiplied with d, where our d is equal to negative 3 that we got earlier. So then here what you guys have to do is just solve lah. Okay, 50 divided by 2, 25. Okay, and then 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4, you're going to get 16, plus with 50 minus 1 become 49, multiply with negative 3, and then here you just have to use calculator, and then you're going to get the answer negative 3275. So this is S50. So this is for question 2. Okay, now we proceed to the question 3. So for question 3, we have find the sum a plus 3, 2a plus 3b, oh sorry, a plus b plus 2a plus 3b, and then 3a plus 5b until the last one 40a plus 79b. So by right from this guy we got to know already that this is your a1, then this is your a2, then this is your a3, the next one is the last a that you guys have is an. So the question is that they want to find the sum of this term, right? You want to know Sn lah, but we don't know this guy yet. So what you guys have to do is, we don't know what is n, right? So you guys have to find n first. Okay, how to find n? Okay, first of all, yeah, if you know that this guy is actually the last term, okay, the last term L, where the formula is a plus with n minus 1 d. Now from this, do we have a? Yes, we have, which is our a1, a plus b. Do we have d? We don't have, so that's why we have to find d first. So you find d. So d is equal to a2 minus a1. So you're gonna get your a2 is equal to 2a plus 3b minus with a1, which is a plus b. So you solve this. Okay, you're gonna get 2a minus a plus 3b minus b. So the answer is a plus 2b. So this is your d. Okay, so now from the last term here, this formula of last term, okay, you can find the value of n, which is, okay, L is equal to, L is equal to a plus n minus 1d. L is your an here, the last term, 40a plus 79b, 79b. So 40a plus 79b equal to a, we have a plus b, okay, and then we have n minus 1, where we don't know right now, n minus 1, d, we have a plus 2b, where we already got it just now, a plus 2b. So here we can find a and b. Okay, where we can find a. First you have to expand 40a plus 79b. So a plus b plus n multiply with a plus 2b. Then negative 1 multiply with the term as well. So which is negative 1. So you just have to get minus minus a plus 2b. Now you expand properly again. So you're gonna get this side 40a plus 79b equal to a plus b plus an plus 2bn. Okay, or what you have to do is just maintain lah. Okay, and multiply with a plus 2b, and then here negative a minus 2b. Okay, and then you expand again properly for a plus 79b. Okay, and then you will get a minus a 0. This one now, a minus with negative a minus with a, you're gonna get 0, and then b minus 2b, you're gonna get equal to negative b plus with n multiply with a plus 2b. Then b you bring to the left side, this one, so you're gonna get 40a plus with 79b plus with b, you're gonna get n a plus 2b, and then here 40a plus 80b, then n is equal to a plus 2b. Now from this you can factorize them, where you can factorize 40 a plus with 2b equal to n multiply with a plus 2b. If you check here, it is the same, right? So you can cross them like this. So you will get n equal to 40. So now you get n equal to 40. What you guys have to do is find Sn. Okay, so you have n equal to 40. Sn you already got. Okay, which is equal to n over 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, you already have a. You already have D, and then you have N already, right? Which is N is equal to 40. So you guys have to find S40. So 40 divided by 2, and then 2 substitute A inside, which is A plus B, plus with N minus 1, which is you're going to get 40 minus 1. D, you have A plus 2B. Okay, and then from here, this is what you guys have to do, yeah? So you attempt the rest of this question, then you will get the answer for S40. Okay, so that's it for question 3. Make sure you attempt this question, yeah? And then submit. Okay, we proceed to the next question, where we have sum of the first 10 term is equal to 30 of arithmetic progression is equal to 30, while the sum of the next 10 term is equal to 80. Find the first term and the common difference. So when they say sum of the first 10 term is equal to 30, that means you have S10 is equal to 30. And then the next one you have is the sum of the next 10 terms equal to 80. You have sum of the next 10 term, yeah? You have S20 minus S10 is equal to 80. Now we have the formula for Sn, which is we have Sn is equal to n over 2 2a plus with n minus 1 multiply with d. Now we have these two, so you substitute one by one. So S10 is equal to 30. You're gonna get 10 over 2 2a, and then plus with 10 minus 1 d, because we don't have a and d right now, yeah? And equal to 30. Another one you have S20 minus S10 equal to 80. So right now you substitute also. Okay, this one you expand properly lah. You're gonna get 5 is multiply with 2a plus 9d equal to 30. You get 1. Okay, you expand properly. You're gonna get 10a plus with 45d equal to 30. This is your first equation. Now you do for S10 also. S20 minus S10 equal to 80. So 20 over 2, and then you have multiply with 2a plus with 20 minus 1, and then multiply with d minus with S10, where you have S10 is equal to 30, right? So you substitute only 30 like that. And then here you will get 10 multiply with 2a plus 19d minus with 30 equal to 80. 30 you bring to that side, you're gonna get 80 plus 30. Oh, sorry. You bring to that side 30 plus 80. You're gonna get here. So you expand 10 multiply by 2a, you're gonna get 20a. 10 multiply by 19d, you're gonna get 190d equal to 110. So 20a plus 190d. Second equation. So you have first equation, second equation. You can use substitution method as well. Okay. So you want to find the first term and the common difference, which is a and d. So from this, you just have to use simultaneous equation. So I believe you guys know how to find using simultaneous equation. This is the question that you guys have to attempt on your own lah. For the rest of this, I already provide. Okay, you have equation 1, equation 2. Find a and d. Okay, we proceed to the next question. Okay, the next question we have is the first term of a geometric sequence is 3 and its common ratio is 3 over 2. Identify the least number of terms of the series can have if its sum exceed 360. So now we extract all the information that you guys have here, which is the first term they say is 3. A is equal to 3, or A1 is equal to 3. The next one ratio, we have R is equal to 3 over 2. Then identify the least number of the term of the series that can have if its sum exceed 360. So what does it mean by least number of term? If xn exceed 360, it means xn exceed 360. When they say exceed, so 360 will not be included. So that's why xn greater to 360. So what we have to do is find n. Okay, so from this, we already have two information, and then Sn also we got, but right now which for geometric sequence, right? Sn depend on the value of r. So right now your r is equal to 3/2, your a is equal to 3, so r is greater than 1. So since r is greater than 1, okay, your Sn formula is equal to a multiply with r to the power of n minus 1 divided with r minus 1. So we have the information of Sn greater than 360. Substitute inside formula, a multiply with r to the power of n minus 1 divided with r minus 1 greater than 360. Then you substitute a and also r inside. So your a is equal to 3 multiply with 3/2n, 3/2 to the power of n minus with 1 divided with 3/2 minus 1 greater than 360. And then this guy, you will get 3/2 to the power of n minus 1. You will get, at the denominator, 3/2 minus 1, you're going to get 1/2 greater than 360. Then you move 1/2 to the right side. So you will get 3 multiply with 3/2 to the power of n minus 1 greater than 360 multiply with 1/2. So I proceed to the next step. Then here you will get 3/2 to the power of n minus 1 greater than 180, because 360 multiply with 1/2, you're going to get 180. And then this 3 you move to the right side, so you will get 3/n to the power of n minus 1 greater than 180 divided by 3, which you're going to get equal to 60. So 3/n to the power of n minus 1, 1 you move to the right side, so you will get 61. And then here you will get 3/2 to the power of n, and then 61 greater than 61. And how to get n? You can put log in front, so 3/2 n greater than log 61. Okay, and then n you bring in front, where you can use logarithm rule here, and log the 3/2 greater than log 61. To find n, easy je, log 61 divide with log 3/2. Okay, where the answer that you will get here is, okay, n is greater than 10.14. So since they say n is greater than 10.14, by right your n is 11. That's it. So this is for question 5. Okay. So now for the rest of the question, you can attempt on your own. But for your submission, you have to submit question 3 and question 4. So submit through the form that I provide, and then your submission will be counted as attendance. Okay. Thank you.